It's actually 11:58, so it's 2 minutes before my birthday. I was just gonna go to sleep already, and then I realized, wow, it's just 2 minutes before my birthday right now. I'm already sleepy, as a matter of fact. I was just ready to sleep. My dog knows already that it's my birthday, so they are trying to greet me. I wish you're with me right now. Oi! Stop. Yeah, I wish you are here right now with me, so at least I can celebrate my birthday. Alright? It'll be nice. But anyway, probably on my next birthday. So that's the time that you are going to be with me already. Alright.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God!
Happy birthday to you.
Walang ya kayo.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh my God!
Happy birthday to
Gulat
you.
ako. Oh my God, what a
How old are you now?
I am 35.
Yo.
I'm 35. I am 35. Am I
Okay.
53? Yes, so I'm 35.
Wish mo na before
Also
blow.
meaning to say I got a cake. Oh my God, I was just thinking, oh no,
Yes.
I don't have any cake.
Before we got here, bumili muna kami sa ano.
I
sa
wish
Watermark.
Hang Julian is gonna be my last husband. Wish granted
Okay.
Alright.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Oh my God, thank you so much, darling.
Love you,
Thank-
Ma.
Oh
Happy
my
birthday.
God. Mwah, mwah. Oh my
Yun.
God, may utang.
Ano ito malakpak dyan?
May utang tuloy ako sa'yo.
Hindi, okay lang yun. Ano talaga to?
Nagkautang tuloy ako.
Hindi, gift
My
talaga
goodness.
Happy birthday. You say
Oh,
happy
thank you
birthday.
so much. Thank you, baby. Mwah.
Akala mo,
Oh.
namin, ha?
Akala ko wala akong ano cake eh.
Yan lang ang nahabol namin doon talaga kanina.
Ay, puta.
Sarado na lahat.
Kaya
Buti naman,
pala.
buti may nahabol.
Kaya pala ang tagal ninyo.
Hindi!
Hindi.
Hindi talagang sobrang sobrang traffic. So,
Okay.
yun ang nangyari.
Wow, I
Pagdating
did.
inahabol
Look,
namin
honey, I
hindi
didn't
pa
realize I
magsara.
do have a birthday. I thought I just have to greet myself. Happy birthday, Mamika. We love you. Love Stan, Jody, Ronby, Gab, and Adore. Atala. Next pa si Adore.
Kasi adore.
My goodness.
Diba?
Oh my goodness.
Kasi
Ay,
kami lang mga bisita dito, kaya
Oo nga.
kami ang bida.
O sige, pautangan mo muna ako. Bigyan mo si Ador ng 500. 500, tigpa 500 na sila. Oh. Pero pautangan mo muna ako. Pautangan mo muna ako. Bigyan mo sila tigpa 500. Oh. Tatlo sila. Eto, may birthday, may binigay na ako dito na biscuit. O sila, bigyan mo tigpa 500. O, pautangan mo muna ako. Bukas na ako mag-withdraw. Oh my goodness. Wow. What a surprise. This is really a great surprise. Thank you so much. I love it. Look at Honey. My goodness. They really love me. Yeah.
Hanggang baka magsara. Kaya diretso mo lang kami doon.
This is really cool. This is a great surprise. I was just actually greeting myself. Happy birthday. And of course, greeting you, Honey. All of a sudden, they came here and my goodness. They surprised me with a birthday cake. This is so cool. Yeah, at least I got a cake. I never thought I could have a cake. I thought I was just gonna, I'm just gonna prepare just very simple food tomorrow. And just for the family anyway, just Stanley, Jody, the wife, and of course 2 kids, and my former helper, Adore. So I am so glad that they are here to at least greet me a very happy birthday. So happy birthday to me. Oh, thank you, thank you so much. All right. I love you. And I love you too, honey. All right. Now I am going to have my cake. There you go. Mama. Wow. This is so good. nice if I'm gonna eat some cake with you right now. My birthday. Anyway, on my birthday. And your birthday. Love you, honey.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, sige na, halika na kayo. Ako ay kakain na ng cake. Painit ka nga ng tubig. Ador, painit ka nga ng tubig, darling. May decaf naman ako dyan, magkape ako. Mas masarap kasi pagkape ito eh.
Alin?
Kape.
Oh, tagal na yan na.
Ano yun, ano yun? Painit na?
Okay. Ito pala.
Wow. Sarap. Uy, ang ganda ng ano, ng choice ninyo. Ano ba to?
Caramel.
Wow, ito nga.
Hindi siya chocolate, caramel siya.
Ito nga ang favorite ko. Ang sarap nga. Perfect. Just perfect for my taste. Yeah. It's just so perfect. Wow. Okay. Pwedeng good for 8 yan yung paghati ko. Nasira ang diet ko. Kanina inantok na nga ako eh. Nagising na nga lang ako pagpasok ni Ador. Akala ko nasa taas. Ang sarap.
Nag-antay kami na mag-12 eh. Siyempre iba pa rin ang bati ng 12. Talagang mismong ano.
Oo nga. Kasi yun yung talagang ano na. Yung handa natin dinner yun ha. Kasi sinabi ko dun sa nagbabarbecue.
Alin?
Dinner.
Bukas. Tama-tama yun.
Kasi nagpaluto ako worth 500. Thank you. Thank you.
Agad, where are you?
You want cake?
Ay, gawa pa kayo ng juice. May malamig pang tubig. O wala na. Marami akong binili.
Hindi, huwag yan pre. Yung ano.
So anyway guys,
Yung pumelo.
I hope that you're gonna have your birthdays also for a long time. It's just another birthday, okay? But that doesn't mean that you are really old now, you know? It's just a number. Birthdays are just numbers. Age is just a number. Age is just a number. But that doesn't measure how old you are or that you are looking old already, that you are already out of the calendar. Ako wala na ako sa kalendaryo eh. I'm not included in the calendar anymore.
Nung nag-32 ako.
For a long time.
Wala pala ako sa kalendaryo ako. Ang ano lang pakiramdam.
Uy, merong nagpatiwakal ganun. Sabi daw niya noon, sabi niya, pag sa edad ko 40 years old, magpapakamatay na ako. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, or subscribe. And of course, push the bell button for more updates for my Mystica vlogs or my Mystica celebrity mukbang. Thank you.